Let's get your replacement key fob programmed for your Chrysler Town & Country 2008 to 2016 or 300 2008 to 2010. First, understand that these models use a specific pairing mechanism that involves cycling the ignition to sync with the vehicle's ECU. You'll need a compatible key fob, make sure it matches the OEM specs, your original keys, and for some advanced cases, an OBD2 scanner. Before you begin, ensure your vehicle's battery is fully charged, above 12.6 volts, and that no security codes are active. Safety first. Patience is key. Rushing can cause failures. 1. Insert the key into the ignition. 2. Cycle the ignition. Turn to the on-run position, accessory mode, then off, repeating this 8 to 10 times within 10 seconds. This should trigger programming mode, indicated by horn chirps or lights flashing. 3. Press the lock or unlock buttons on your fob to program it. You can usually program up to 4 fobs. 4. Test the functionality by starting the vehicle.